Hello everyone. I got this package from eBay. I don't want to turn it around because their address is on it, my address and the seller's address. I got it from eBay. It is sports cards again. See, it is sealed. Glue. Gonna rip it here. And I paid I think it was about $10 for this. They were $5 each, and I had a $5 eBay coupon. So it's supposed to be a set of 10, the special cards. So I'm not sure what it is. It's supposed to be guaranteed autograph or jersey card. There's something there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Something special on that one. I'll look at that last. This says mixed Dutch. Thanks. Alright, let's see what we got. I'm going to put the camera down a little bit. The first one will be, and they kept him up pretty good. That's a Barry Sanders card. This is already much better than the cards I've opened. Detroit Lions running back, retired early. Could have easily broke Emmitt Smith's record, or Emmitt Smith shouldn't even have broke his record. And yes, my hands still shake. If you don't like shaky hands, don't watch my videos. All 150 of you. Oh well. Alright. This is a Barry Sanders Contenders. It's a nice card. It's a special card. I don't know the worth. We got a LeBron James season ticket. Cleveland Cavaliers. Won the first championship game in 54 years. Forever remembered. Rated rookie, Trey Turner. Mike Wallace. Harry Gills. Kyle Drabeck. Corey Seager. Nick Williams. Oh, an autograph. Who is that? Javon Carter. That's cool. And a Laurie Mark Cannon. Alright. This cost me about $5. They're $5 each. Is that worth it? In my opinion, yes it is. Got 2 more to go. I will put the link in the description to this eBay seller's cards, because so far it's well worth it. But I might not be able to do that until later. My computer there isn't even hooked up yet. You have a mess in here. My nurse hasn't came over today. There we go. Oh, one more. Alright, let's see what we got here. Lottery picks. That is Grant Hill. Wow. From years ago. Oh, didn't see that one. We got a Sony Michel. Nick Chubb's best friend. Georgia running back. Blake Snell. Marcus Mariota. David Ortiz. I can't see, it says Baxter. I can't make it out what it is. Brad Baxter. An old card. Mr. Bobby Cox. The Braves. That's pretty cool. Sterling Brown. Another autograph. Wide receiver. I have no idea who that is. Who the heck? Ryan Field. Yeah. Okay. And Mac Hollins. No idea who that is. Okay. That one wasn't as good as the first one, but still pretty cool. The people selling these sure taped them up. Huh. It's empty. Maybe it's to put a special card in. That's... Actually, I needed one of those. Actually, I need quite a few of them. Not that I have a lot of special cards. Just in case I get something special. Right now I have a horrible headache. But, oh well. So I just took my meds. Alright. Oh, didn't know the camera was angled. Carlos Gomez. Sandarius Thornwell. Sean Mannion. 4 homers by Willie Mays. Say hey, Willie Mays. That's pretty cool. Ray Bourne. What is this? Rory Hoskins. It's a tiny card. Oh, 2018. Or not Rory. Something Hoskins. I've never seen a card like that. Dwayne Allen. Hey, look at that. Ray Chapman, Cleveland Indians. 1920. That's cool. Upper deck special card. That's a really cool card. I put that in a case. What we got here? Satchel Paige. Oh, that's in a thick case. That's a thick card. That one card, or I think that's one card. No. Yeah, it's one card. Pitcher, Cincinnati, All-Star Game. What is it though? Oh, it's a patch card. How is that a patch card? Here's the last card in there. Aaron Rodgers, rookie card. Is that an actual rookie? No. 2015. It's just a remake. Just trying to figure out what this is. It's from Crossley Field, Cincinnati, July 14th, 1953. I don't get it. I'll take it out of the case. Oh, that's the patch? Oh. Break that out of there, put it back in. If that's the actual patch, that is really cool. Trying to get my camera to focus on it. Or my phone. I'll be getting a new phone sooner than later though, so that might help the video quality. I'll have to look that up, so I honestly don't know what that is. Really cool though. Patch card. Whatever it is, it's pretty cool. It's a commemorative patch card. Alright, got a case out of it. Here are the cards I paid. It would equal 15, but I paid a total of 9 something because I had an eBay coupon. Got good cards. Got 2 autographs and a patch card and some pretty cool cards. Like these, like Carlos Gomez. The autograph there. Sterling Brown. Put the camera up like this, you can see better. Old Braves card from 1980. That's pretty cool, and that's Mr. Bobby Cox. David Ortiz, Marcus Mariota, Sonny Michel, a lottery pick card, Grant Hill. Is that old? Yeah, 94. I probably got one of those in packs when I was younger. Laurie Mac something, Macabooger. Hot signature rookie, Javon Carter. These probably aren't worth much. There's a price tag on that one that has 10. So probably like a couple of dollars, because unless he's famous, I don't know much about basketball, so I don't know. Nick Williams. I don't know much about baseball either. Mike Ross, the Pittsburgh card. I probably just throw that down. Turner. That's a cool card here. LeBron James card. Hope I dropped it. I think it's just a regular card, but still it's pretty cool. Where is that regular card? Season ticket. I have the championship floor from their season. And a Barry Sanders card, which I like that card a lot. It's 2015. It's a special too. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. It's to me well worth it. And I'm going to buy from that person again. I will put the link in the description, but it won't be until I have my computer up and running, which won't be until I have a computer tech kind of person come here, because I am computer dumb. Alright people, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Later. Bye.